Hi there, I'm Char, and welcome back to my channel, to the Simple Spells for the Home playlist. Today I am doing something a little bit different. Instead of sharing one of my spells, I am sharing one that I am going to try for the first time. I found this on Hoodoo Magick and More's channel. Thank you very much for making the video. I am going to give this money spell with no ingredients a shot. So we'll start off with the basic money spell. And then there's a way to make it more potent with a couple of ingredients. So I'm going to do it all and document how this money spell is working for me. So what they say to do is to think about this as you already have the money. Like, you're not wanting it, you already have it. You have it, you're using it, you're doing things, you have this money. So it's an I have feeling that you're doing into this. And then it says to write your name. So we'll do my name 3 times. And I'm just using, scrap whale paper. Perfect, that's coming up. So I'm thinking like I already have this money in my hand. And I've done a couple of manifesting things, so I know that feeling. I know what it's like to have that money. All right, here we go. So, and then just by using our written word, we're going to write a chant around the outside of this edge. So here we go. What did they say to write? I got money faster than possible. So I'm trying to make it so you guys can see. Faster than possible. Every time I spent money, I got double it back. And then the important part they said is, this will happen overnight. And then write it again, going over the first line. This will happen overnight. So here we go. I've got my name, Char Wilcox, Char Wilcox, Char Wilcox. I got money faster than possible. Every time I spent money, I got double it back. This will happen overnight. This will happen overnight. So as a no ingredient spell, at this point, you can fold it towards yourself 3 times. And then they said, take it outside and burn it over a candle while repeating, I got money faster than possible. Every time I spent money, I got double it back. This will happen overnight. This will happen overnight. So that is the basic no ingredient money spell. And then there's a way to make it more powerful. So here we go. And then there is a way to make it more powerful. And I brought a green candle because green is money right now. I represent this candle for money, 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 money. All right, so the way to make it more powerful, they use something called finger grass, but I don't have any of that. So I'm just going to add some of this little sage that we grew in the fairy garden, because that's powerful to me. I've got some bay leaf from my altar, so that's powerful to me. And then I have my magic moon salt. And they said, just put a little pinch of salt in there with the herbs to spice it up. Boom, there we go. I'll leave a link. Check the iCards for the magic moon salt up in the corner there for the magic moon salt video. I think I did a video on that. Very, very easy to do. Then you take your mortar and pestle and you grind this all together. I got money faster than possible. Every time I spent money, I got double it back. This will happen overnight. This will happen overnight. Ooh. Chanting makes things more powerful, and intention going into things makes them powerful. So now that's all ground up, I am going to take a pinch of this, and they said sprinkle it over, chanting it again. I will get money faster than possible. Every time I spent money, I got double it back. This will happen overnight. This will happen overnight. Bam. And then we fold it towards us 3 times. And I'm sitting right here beside you right now. So 1, 2, 3. All right, now it is time to go outside and burn this. Let's go. Okay, so here we are outside. It is, yes, snowing where I'm at. I have my cauldron pot here. Light my candle safely. I have my spell. We're going to burn this. And we're going to burn this. And we're going to burn this. There we go. I say, I got money faster than possible. Every time I spent money, I got double it back. This will happen overnight. This will happen overnight. I got money faster than possible. Every time I spent money, I got double back. This will happen overnight. This will happen overnight. Oh. Are we good there? I got money faster than possible. Every time I spent money, I got double it back. This will happen overnight. This will happen overnight. I got money faster than possible. Every time I spent money, I got double it back. This will happen overnight. This will happen overnight. Amen. So there we go, the spell is cast. I thank you for participating with me, checking it out. I hope you try it. I hope it works for you. I hope it works for me too. Thank you, Hoodoo Magick and More, for putting this spell out there. I'll put a link to the video in my description so you guys can go and say hello. Thank you for joining me in the Simple Spells playlist. Please click one of these boxes hanging out around this candle, and it'll take you to have a look around the rest of the playlist. It'll take you to a YouTube recommended video, and I would love to have you subscribe and hit the bell notifications while you're here. Leave a comment. Let me know what's up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.